Today we got a Sportsman 90, mid 2000s. Customer said that it smokes. When I had it running, it didn't have a smoking issue. I gotta give it a little gas while I fire it up. Yeah, I'm sure you guys heard that too. There's definitely a dry bearing somewhere. I'm gonna pull off the belt cover and see what's going on in there and hope it's that and not a crank bearing. We'll soon find out. With the floorboard pulled and the belt cover off, I'm going to start the machine back up and see if we still hear that issue. Clearly we don't. So the issue should be in the belt cover. Probably that bearing. Playing with the bearing. It's super noisy. And you ain't going to be able to feel it, but I can. It's super gritty. It's dry. There's no grease in it. That's clearly the issue we were having.